I tell you, I had so much squash, zucchini, eggplants. I was like, what am I going to do with it all? So I have these neighbors that are in their 90s. They live alone. It's a husband and wife couple. And they said, yeah, I asked us, you want some of the squash? I got way too much squash and zucchini and eggplant. And I said, you know what, Jill, they are in their 90s. I told them, I said, you know what, I'm not just going to give it to you. I'm going to cook it for you. So I made zucchini and squash in 2 different ways. I made it with Parmesan cheese on top. And I just sauteed the zucchini with onions and garlic. And then the eggplants were so beautifully round. In the past, I have stuffed a pumpkin, and I was like, wow, maybe I should just stuff them like a pumpkin. Because last year I had eggplant, and I made eggplant the little boats. And it has dirty rice stuffed inside. So I just made the dirty rice and sauteed some of the eggplant that I scooped out and added that to the mixture and put it back in. And it's made it kind of like a stuffed bell pepper with a little bit of the tomato sauce on top. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Your places like I do. My place like you do. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to.
So good. have a little green pepper, onion, garlic. I have, of course, some bay leaves and oregano. So in this bowl I have some cooked rice. I'm gonna add the ground beef.
My place is your place, my place, your place, my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel refreshing. Lose control.
Okay, so you want to hollow these out. Don't go all the way through. Do not pierce all the way through, or else you'll have some leakage. But yeah, now we're going to fill them. But first, we're going to cut up the inside and we're going to saute it and then add it to the mixture.
Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
And these are ready to go into the oven. I just added some crushed tomatoes on the top, similar to what you would do with a stuffed bell pepper. And I put a bay leaf on the top. The bay leaf off after baking. Tell y'all I have too much, like, look at this. So another huge zucchini that was hiding from me. And then look at these Italian squash. They're beautiful though. Look at that. I think I'm gonna roast these like a butternut squash, like I would do a butternut. And then here's some cucumber. I'm actually going to make a drink with these right now. And then I have a bunch of jalapeno peppers. They are gorgeous. These would make some really good jalapeno pepper poppers. Just cut them and then stuff them with cheese. And I mean, if you like bacon or whatever you want to wrap them with. But yeah. So good. I'm going to make a spicy lemonade right now, but then with the rest of them, I'm going to actually pickle them and make like a pepper sauce. So anytime that we have cabbage or collard greens, you can use a little bit of that hot pepper and vinegar on your greens. So freaking good. Guys, I'm about to make myself a spicy cucumber lemonade. So I just put a big spear ice cube in there. That way it won't melt so fast. And I'm gonna cut a lemon. Oops, just went flying. Oop, that one went flying too. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick that up. Cucumber. Slices of cucumber in there. And I'm putting the seeds and all in there. Cheers! So refreshing. This tastes like summer. And guess what? Zero sugar. Zero sugar.